You guys ready down there? Alright. Then it's team elimination. Game starts in 5.
Oh, well, you can play with
We got one coming right.
Do you think I can get to this bunker over here?
Which one?
This one straight ahead here.
You got one guy somewhere out in there,
Right.
but I think he's more concentrated on our team over there.
Okay.
Yeah, you got a good shot. I'll cover you if he comes out.
Okay, I'll see if I can get to this one.
Alright, go ahead.
Want to move together eventually?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to take the bunker right next to you. You're good, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Hey, if you could get to that big tree right to your right of you, under the shack. Where are they at down there?
There's one right behind the stump, right back there. I'm out of paint. I'm out of air.
I think they're almost out.
One right over looking there.
I think they're out.
There's one right behind the stump.
I think they're out. Oh, okay, that would have been one I